Alright, now it's focused. What's up, guys? So, I got the El Camino moved. What are you doing, dog? Oh, lovely. Thanks, bud. Yeah, so we got the El Camino moved. It's now in front of the shop, my shop. And, yeah, so we're going to start working on it real soon. Just pumped that tire up. Now it's flat. Oh. Well, they are like 18 years old. Alright. But, yeah, so we're going to start working on this coming up soon. As we get the shop painted. And, yeah, we're going to be taking the whole old wiring harness out because I'm not going to need any of that except for the headlight harness. We're going to strip the front clip off. That means taking this front fiberglass piece off with the grill and the lights and whatnot. And the bumper, we're taking both the fenders off. And all the stuff inside the engine bay over there. We're going to take all that out, everything. I got a brand new master cylinder. Everything's going to be brand new. And I guess everybody spoke and said their piece about what motor should go in it. So I have decided to do a LS swap. So yeah, it's not uncommon, but it'll be the first one that I do. And I'll make it real neat. I'll do the engine bay up right, make it right, pretty, beautiful car. And my goal is just clean, classy, and simple. Because I've just kind of done a little bit of research, and the 229's barely pulled a lawnmower, let alone itself. So I don't know. Part of me, being a purist, wants to go back 229, V6 in it. Part of me wants to go LS, and the LS part seems more fun. So that's the way I'm going. Patch, what are you doing? Huh? What are you doing, bud? So anyway, we're gonna get to work chopping up the Honda, doing a radiator support on it, getting it ready for the B18 special motor going in it, and we're gonna shave the bay, do a whole new radiator support, and we'll get to work on that. Dang, that little Milwaukee does work.
Oh man, I could have told you that. I use these all day.
That's crazy.
I ain't ever buying another Toshiba or Toshiba. Yep.
Oh, that just ate right through it. Wow. All right, what's next? Where are we going? I gotta figure out where I need to be. Yep. So, while you're working on this, you want to explain what you're doing?
Well, this is a boosted Civic. And,
Was.
And she's had a rough life because she was a drag car before all of this.
And we're making it street car.
And there's nothing to mount anything onto anymore. So everything was zip tied for a while. I drove it on the street, had fun for the summer, and now we're gonna make it right because I had a kid on the way and I kind of want to live.
So Jimmy got a parts car for a good radiator support and a front clip.
Yeah.
So we're drilling out spot welds for radiator support to replace it. Where you at? Oh.
Yeah. See, I didn't do that. I did the damn.
How many is there?
No, I told you something.
A lot.
I give people a discount rate. You know? But I.
There's about, I don't know,
4 zillion.
6, 7 on the side.
Do you have to unbolt the tow hook right there?
No, I'm gonna drill through the radiator support, all the spot welds right here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Do you have to unbolt it?
Nope.
Okay. I didn't know if it would clear.
Nope. It's already starting to move.
You're through. You're through.
Don't matter if I'm through, I still got to get a certain amount through to get the spot weld all drilled out.
Okay then. There's one to your right too. Right 2 inches down one.
That's it.
And it's still bolted at the bottom by the middle.
I'm trying to see where I gotta.
They are really thin. Wow. Voila. Are you going to put a hood latch back on it, or are you going race car? Do some flush mount hood pins.
Don't know, Walter. Don't know.
65 pounds. Took him 30 minutes.
Hey, I got 2 more batteries.
What? And he found 2 more batteries?
Yeah, the ones that came out the wheelchair.
Once you come out the wheelchair.
12 zip ties.
What?
12 zip ties.
Are we having fun yet? That's the worst part, the wires.
I hope he didn't need that.
The Honda, you sneeze, you get one from somewhere.
I got another one. It'll be fine. That's the headlight.
So here's the hatch now. Sorry the video ended kind of abruptly, but it was worse than we thought, and I had a phone call. So we're going to be getting rid of this hood. We're going back with a flat hood and wire tuck and shaved base. So here we go. More spot welds. Yeah, that was hot, wasn't it, bud?
No, it wasn't hot. It was pointing.
Oh. Well, that sucks too.
Stabbed myself in the finger.
Yeah, you got one between those two that you're doing.
Yeah, I see him. That's why I hit it with wire.
She's smoking, man. Let's see one you missed.
Where?
Right there where the hole is. To your right, to your right, to your right. Yep. Mind the way. Jimmy.
What?
I had to.
Yeah.
Find more?
Mm-hmm.
Jesus Christ. Yep. Yeah, so basically what we're doing is just finding all the spot welds, drilling them out so we can pull the front end off of this car and pull the front end off the parts car and switch them. Right, Jimmy?
Yeah. Little by slowly.
Give me a chisel because it's got a bunch of panel bond in it. I don't want to run over your purple pair. Yeah, we're getting rid of all this rat's nest of the wiring harness. We'll do something a lot cleaner. Jesus, they got them way under there, don't they? Alright, we'll be back. Alright, excuse the terrible lighting, but here's Jimmy's parts car. So basically, he got all the stuff he needed to off of this one, except for like one or two things. And we have a friend of ours that's a body guy. He's going to switch the front end from this one to this one. And so yeah, the coupe is getting stripped and the hatch is getting built. Thank you everybody for watching, and hopefully next video will be a little bit more work on the Civics here. Stripping this one and putting it on this one, and later on this week they should come back, and we should get started on the El Camino next week actually. So if you want an El Camino video, that'll be hopefully mid next week, or if not, the weekend following that. Alright, if y'all would leave a thumbs up on this video, and we'll see you next time.